Time for some avocado. Now let's get into this. Avocados can be picked any kind of way. As for me, I like mine kind of firm, kind of soft, stem intact. This looks good, but I want to pick another one. This one is semi-soft, and it doesn't have the stem in it. Don't know how I missed that. And then we have the one that's completely ripened outside, but it's still firm. And this looks like it can be good. Let's look inside. Now, the reason I said looks like is because if it's brown under the stem, it's too ripe. And if it's green, it's perfect. Always cut horizontally without lifting your knife off the avocado. That's how you get that perfect cut. You twist off. Yeah, just as I thought. A little bit soft inside, so it's kind of oxidated. Still good though. Let's try this one. This one's real firm. And that is the perfect color. That green-yellow color, that's how you know it's gonna be good inside. Now, just a reminder, don't go in the grocery store popping off stems trying to find the perfect color. It doesn't work that way. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Let's pop the seed out. Now cut horizontally, face down. I do this because when I peel off the skin, that's where all the vitamins are. That's my antioxidants, that's my folates, that's my vitamin C. I'll list them all below. Look at that, perfect peel. Now if it chips while you're peeling, it's starting to go bad. This looks perfect. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share if you're feeling this, and we'll continue with the rest of this avocado video. Now I'm getting ready for the fun part. Completely mash up your avocados in whatever bowl you choose. I mean, you can cut into squares, but I like mashing it up. Add some Himalayan pink salt. Now, in another video, I identify why I use Himalayan pink salt instead of white salt, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. Looks like I lost one, but it's okay. Mix that in there. Garlic powder. Now, I love garlic, so I'm just gonna lay it in there. So I'm mixing all of this in. Then I have some homemade herbs. I dried them myself. This is cilantro and parsley. Of course, with the mix. Now I'll cut some tomatoes. Not too many, because I'm not a huge tomato fan. But for the purpose of this video, we're doing tomatoes. This is gluten-free bread. I can't remember the name of it, but it was good. Now layer that avocado on there, like lay it on thick. Add some more capers, because I like texture on top. I'm just realizing my nails match this video. This wasn't intentional. Lay the tomatoes. So basically, I'm just plating this avocado toast so you can see what it looks like. Make it all pretty. I'll eat that. Sun-dried tomatoes. I love Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's has like the best condiments. Now these weren't in the fridge. These were out, so they're warm. If you put cold ones in there, it just won't taste the same. Got some nice color in there, some green onions, pepper flakes, oh, black truffle oil, my favorite. Now, I read this was gluten-free, and it didn't give me any reaction, so I'm going by what it says. Pretty. And that's basically it. That's my avocado toast. We don't skimp here.